your girl Yvette Renee coming at you with, I'm gonna organize my fridge. So let's sit here and see what the fridge look like inside. Now this is, woo, yeah, this is the before. Yeah, you know. And here's on the door, yes. Oh my gosh. I am not, I'll probably, I don't know if I'm going to show you while I'm doing it or not, or I'll just show you the after. Hello. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Hold on. Bye. Okay, love bugs. I want to show you the freezer as well. The freezer is full, and the door is cleaned out. Close that for me, baby. And now, here is the finish, the after of the fridge. I need to go to the container store so I can find some stuff to put in there, but it looks better than before. And this is the door, yes. I had to put some water bottles in there, move some stuff around. Yes, yes, clean, 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 clean. Well, let me have my daughter to do it from a different angle. All right. All right. All right, people. So now, this is the after. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you long time, love bugs. Bye.